Hello, my fellow friends. So today's video, all I know is I've got a plan in my head and some jewels and some body paints. So you know, we'll be listening to some tunes, just nice and quietly in the background here. Get ready for this video to probably not be uploaded. I was gonna jump on the bandwagon and do all that paintbrush with the face, and then I was like, nah, I never get in with the trends ever, so I'm not starting either. So I'm taking this dark green and sort of making brush strokes like upwards with a dual fibre brush, and to me that's just creating like a grass texture effect, but we want it obviously growing up. So then I'm just taking a lighter green and adding highlights. So I'm picturing some like water going through here. I'm just gonna fill this water in. So I'm then taking some white and pulling it in. Now this makes sort of the water texture. Don't rub it back and forth, but you want to go from one side to the other. Now my paints are slightly dry, so it's dragging a bit, but always go one way when creating these water, whatever you want to call them. Alright, so I'm taking that dual fibre brush and I'm just making some more bushes along the water.